Let's start with our mission statement. I am kind, I am creative, I listen, I work hard, I use my hands, mind, heart, and community to become the best artist I can be. Hi, Marion Park artists. Today you are going to be a worker in the picture factory, and your job is to make as many pictures as you want. So on my website, there is a link to a slideshow, and it has so many ideas for the workers at the picture factory. I made 3, and you'll see those in my video. So the 3 that I made were circles around circles, then circles inside of circles, and then I made draw clouds of every color, and then the last one I did was draw letters, numbers, and exclamation marks. I would love to see the pictures that you make, so let your grown-ups send them to me. All right, have fun making, Marion Park.